The interesting tutorial about JD Shopping app tips and tricks, or JD.com shopping app. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your JD Shopping app from Chinese to English language for every international user of JD Shopping app. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply open up your JD Shopping app. Just like so. After you open up your JD Shopping app, you find out that everything here was written in Chinese language. And as a result of that, this might be difficult for international users to navigate from the app, from different store, and understand different things about this particular app. So how can you change this to English language in a single click and simple settings? Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Tauba, JD.com, IDFIS, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source and ship products from China using JD Shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on this icon right here, your profile icon. So go ahead and click on that. And it's going to take you right here. Allow it to load up. Then, and from your profile right here, go ahead and click on here. This icon right here. Go ahead and click on that. And then it's going to take you to proper account settings right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. And it's going to take you right here. So by default, I'm in Chinese mainland with Xi'an as my currency. For you to switch to English language, go ahead and click on English right here. Once you click on English, everything right here is going to automatically change to English right here. So all you have to do is to choose your country right here. Like for instance, if you are in the United States, simply go ahead and make sure you choose United States right here. So once you choose United States, then you have different options of cash that you can change to USD currency, you can change to Canadian dollar. You can slide this way and see more currency available in your region right here. As far as US is concerned, there are so many currency options right here you can easily choose. You can choose USD. Once you choose USD, this simply means that every product in this category here is going to be in United States, just like so. However, from the country options right here, not every country is available for these particular features of English language. Like for instance, Singapore. So if you are from Singapore, you can select Singapore and you can see now that Singapore has been selected, and at the same time, you can use Yuan, your country currency, or USD, or click on more to see another options for payment. And then you can see that everything here is now in English language. Go ahead and hit on save right here. So once you hit on save, all the language in your JD app will automatically change to English language. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about important settings about JD Shopping app like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.